Uttam Swami, who is facing rape allegations, is currently in Jabalpur city of Madhya Pradesh. He is the Mahamandaleshwar of Shri Panch Agni Akhada and is known as a religious storyteller. He is organizing a Bhagavad Katha at his 10-acre ashram located in Hirapur near Bheda Ghat. The event is being held from February 9th to February 15th. On Friday, the Katha was scheduled to begin at 2 p.m. but did not start even by 3:30. Organizers later informed the gathering that Uttam Swami was unwell. After this, one of his disciples began the Katha from the stage. The venue can accommodate around 3,000 people and has food stalls, sitting areas and other arrangements for devotees. A political controversy has started in Shahdol after a class 12th student was detained and sent to jail. During a Congress rally called Jan Akrosh Rally, Pushpar Rajgar, MLA Funde Lal Singh Marco Shaple criticized the district administration. While addressing supporters, he said that if the collector had been present at the rally, we would have beaten him with sticks. Another MLA from the opposition claimed that collectors in the states have been turned into henchmen. These strong remarks have intensified the political fight between the ruling party and Congress. The administration has not yet issued an official statement on the comments. The issue has created tension in the district. At a mass wedding event for 301 girls at Bageshwar Dham, Pandit Dhiren Shastri made a statement that has sparked political reaction. He said that only chanting God's name is not enough to protect religion. According to him, people must step out of temples and be ready to defend dharma. His remarks were criticized by Congress leader Mukesh Naik, who said Shastri behaves like a BJP worker and should sit in the BJP office. Naik also demanded legal action, calling the statement divisive. The comment have added fresh political tension in Madhya Pradesh, with leaders from both sides reacting strongly. Madhya Pradesh Minister Vijay Shah addressed a student festival at a girls' college in Khandwa. He spoke about his family's roles in India's freedom movement. Shah claimed that his grandfather was kept under house arrest for 2 years by the British for helping tribal freedom fighter Tatya Bhil. He said his family belonged to the Magdai royal lineage, which supported revolutionaries fighting British rule. Shah also claimed that his ancestors helped forces opposing British rule in Nagpur. His statement has drawn attention in political circles. The National Green Tribunal has taken strict action in 3 separate cases in Madhya Pradesh. The NGT's Bhopal bench ordered authorities to remove encroachments along river bank. It also directed officials to mark and protect Tulsi Sarovar in Ashoknagar within 2 months. The collector has been asked to complete boundaries marking soon. The tribunal also ordered action against illegal brick in the buffer zone of Ratapani Tiger Reserve. The NGT stressed the need to protect water bodies and forest areas from illegal activities and environmental damage. A case of alleged encroachment has come to light in Sindhi district. Government land worth over Rs 40 crore belonging to the district marketing officer has reportedly been occupied. A man named Raku Kamdar allegedly installed an 11-headed Hanuman idol and began building a temple overnight. He claimed that God appeared in his dream and told him to construct the temple. He said no official permission was needed. Officials have filed a complaint with the administration. The matter is now under investigation. Winter is slowly losing its effect in Madhya Pradesh, even though snowfall continues in the Himalayan region. In more than 15 cities of the state, daytime temperatures have crossed 30 degrees Celsius. Night temperatures are also staying above 10 degrees. According to the India Meteorological Department's Bhopal Center, 2 western disturbances will become active in the western Himalayan region on February 13 and 16th. However, their impact on Madhya Pradesh will remain limited. Slight cold condition may continue for the next 2 days. After that, minimum temperatures are expected to rise by 2 to 3 degrees. Warmer weather is likely to increase across the state.